Welcome back to Truck Spotting Great Lakes. We are on Interstate 75 going southbound, coming into Knoxville, Tennessee. We're 4.3 miles to Interstate 640. And we're going to head, we're going to get onto that, and then we're going to get onto the 40. And then we're going to start heading towards North Carolina, go through the gorge. I haven't seen that since I don't know when. And I definitely haven't seen. I'm curious on what it looks like now after that. After the water took out, after that big storm or hurricane. That's hurricane. Yeah, that's what it was. That flooded everything and wiped out Highway 40. Interstate 40, sorry, in the gorge there, in between Tennessee and North Carolina. It was a beautiful ride before. Curious on what it's going to look like later on. But that's not now, that's later, or that's in a couple of days, or next 2 or 3 episodes maybe away. Anyways, so we're coming into Knoxville. That's what we're doing right now. Everybody's having a great day, or had a great day. Hit that like, subscribe button. Helps us out a lot if you haven't already done that. And if you're already a subscriber, then I appreciate it. We appreciate it. guys already know that. You've seen the signs. I don't know about you guys, but every time I know I have to get up early in the morning for a delivery or something, I just cannot sleep. I'm always worried about falling asleep and sleeping right through my alarm or being late or something like that. And it always keeps me awake. So I couldn't deliver my load yesterday, the original one that I needed to deliver. So I delivered one yesterday. I needed it there by 10:30, 11 o'clock. And I got there at 10:30, got unloaded and was gone. But I was still 200 and change away from my second delivery. And second one, they closed at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and without any stopping and whatever, my truck only does 65 mile an hour. And I was going to arrive at the customer at 4 to 3 or 3 o'clock in the afternoon, whichever. And they closed at 2. So I had to, well, my dispatcher said to me 6 o'clock in the morning. Next morning, which was this morning. And because of that, yeah, I had plenty of time off. I couldn't sleep because it was during the day and it wasn't that long, it was after or whatever. Anyways, I had a hard time sleeping last night. I think I finally closed my eyes at like, I think I finally fell asleep at like 12, midnight. And I was up 5 o'clock. That's with a bunch of off and on. Wake up or whatever in the middle of the night. So, pretty tired. So I got me a couple of Bang energy drinks to keep myself awake, but I still got a coffee. My coffee is should keep me somewhere alive, but not keep me awake too much. I like my Bang energy drinks. I know the Bang energy drinks have not paid for this video, but I have my energy drinks, and I bought a new flavor I haven't tried yet. I don't really care for the cotton candy one, but all the others so far I enjoy. And the best thing about the Bang energy drinks is they're all sugar free. Gotta like that. Get enough sugar in your life. Don't need any more. The outskirts of Knoxville. And everything's so green. It'd be much better if the clouds were gone, the sun was up. Interstate 40 is open, Tennessee and North Carolina, but I didn't catch the rest because it happened too fast. And my eyeballs are still trying to work. But I have a feeling there'll be more signs up here. don't remember. Must have been a kid. And it's been a long time since I've been a kid. Shocker. The other day I realized that next year I'll be 50. I'm wondering where the time went. They say you're at the halfway point, but I'm more than halfway now. I've lived longer than I'm going to live, I think. Probably 40 was about halfway. Can't see myself living any longer than 80. I would love to. My grandmother, she's still alive. She's on July 1st, Canada Day, she's going to be 100 years old. And she's still alive. She's married. Her husband and 4 of her children, or outlived 4 of her children and her husband so far. She had 13 children, so. But she's still around, thank God. Like, wow. I know I'm not gonna get 100, reach 100. No trucks left lane. Lovely. We are on Interstate 40 now. I like to pass this guy in front of me. I'm going to as soon as I get a chance to. 227 miles to my destination. It's pretty much Fort Mill, South Carolina, which is just south of Charlotte, North Carolina, is where I'm going. And probably tomorrow I'm probably going to be going to, or leaving right away to go pick up probably a load of chicken. Almost guarantee it's going to be a load of chicken on the way back. Usually always is. Close friends and partner doesn't like when I say that. It is what it is. But it's true. It is true. Anyways. With that, I will say have yourself a fantastic day. Drive safe, be safe. Bye for now.